we will show you the installation of a cork-based underscreed without a pre-attached foil barrier. The following installation instructions are recommended by Amorium Cork Composites, but are not intended as a definitive project specification. They are presented in an attempt to be used in conjunction with the recommended installation procedures of the flooring manufacturers and screed. These are all the materials needed to install the underscreed. Make sure that the slab is leveled, dry, clean, and in good structural conditions. For this installation, open the packaging 24 hours in advance and store it in the room where the installation will take place. The humidity content of the slab is critical. It must not exceed 2.5% moisture content. Temperature should be above 10 degrees Celsius and humidity below 75%. Install a perimeter insulation barrier vertically around the entire perimeter of the room, with a width equal to that of the floor buildup. This is highly recommended in order to avoid lateral propagation of impact noise. The barrier must also be applied in the perimeter of pipes, ducts, or any other component protruding from the floor. Spot adhere the strips to the wall using acrylic glue or a bead of silicone sealant. Cut and trim the underscreed to the designed size to fit the installation. Apply directly over the slab. Always ensure that the material is installed to fit the application, avoiding the creation of ripples in the material. In case of profile material, the dimpled side must be facing down. Place the underscreed directly against the insulation perimeter barrier already installed. Proceed to cover the entire floor, making sure that the joints are butted tight and using adequate tape to fix it. After completion, the underscreed should cover the entire flooring area without leaving any gaps and with joints securely taped. A waterproof membrane, for example polyethylene foil, with a minimum 0.2 millimeters covering the entire flooring area must be installed prior to installation of the screed. Install it with a minimum 150 millimeters width vertically and overlapping it with a minimum of 100 millimeters. After completion, the insulation vapor barrier should cover the entire underscreed area without leaving any gaps. Never mechanically fasten the underscreed or the foil barrier with screws, nails, or staples, since this will severely diminish the performance of the insulation barrier. Cast a suitable screed over the foil barrier previously installed over the product. For additional information or questions about the installation of our acoustic blankets, contact us or visit our website, acousticcork.com.